Hey, what's up? Joe Barton here with Barton Publishing and the Diabetes Solution Kit. Look, I've been advertising on Facebook for years, and I've been publishing for many years, and we continue to get comments from people that they're sick and tired of watching 30 to 40 minute long videos that take forever to get to the point. So I'm going to get to the point in 30 seconds or less. This is the Diabetes Solution Kit. It's $19.97 for the digital version. Inside of this, you will learn everything that you need to know about how to lower your blood sugar and get rid of type 2 diabetes, following natural remedies. If you're on metformin, you probably know how horrible the side effects are. We're going to teach you how you can work with your doctor to get off metformin. Now, inside of this is the workbook that Dr. Scott Saunders, our medical advisor, wrote and edited and has revised 9 different times. You can get your hands on the digital version for $19.97, and you're going to learn how to go through phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3 of these programs. Phase 1 gets your body to get your blood sugars into the normal range. Normal range is under 100 fasted blood sugar readings after 8 hours of sleep at night. And once your body gets to that level, then you enter phase 2. Phase 2 allows you to eat more carbs and get a more normalized diet. And then phase 3 is where you have a normal diet for the rest of your life as you maintain those healthy blood sugars. Now, we're going to teach you the foods to eat, foods to avoid, and one of the things that you probably just saw was an ad about 3 drinks to avoid. Well, let me tell you what those are real quick. Number 1, avoid diet soda. Anything with artificial sweeteners in it is not good. Why? Well, because artificial sweeteners, like what is in diet soda, it tells your pancreas to create insulin and secrete insulin. The insulin is supposed to go work with the sugar that your body thinks it has and then to use it as energy. But when you're drinking those artificial sweeteners, the insulin is released, it's looking for the sugar, and it doesn't find anything. So your body naturally is craving sugar. Well, what do? Then you go find a Snickers bar or a bowl of cereal or some ice cream until that craving is met. That doesn't turn out to very good results with your body, as your body then uses the insulin and it turns into your body stores fat. So that's why you put on weight when you're drinking diet soda. Second drink to avoid is fruit juice. Now, fruit juice usually is removed of the fiber from the fruit, and the fiber is actually important because it helps your digestion to slow down and to absorb the nutrients and the sugar in the fruit in a time-release format. But if you just drink the juice without the fiber, it's going straight into your bloodstream, kind of like a heroin addict injecting heroin into his veins like a druggie. You don't want to do that. In fact, orange juice is the #1 remedy that people would recommend if you have low blood sugar because it raises your blood sugar so fast. So fruit juice, not good. The third thing to avoid is low-fat milk. Now, low-fat milk is where they take out all of the fat and then they add in sugar to replace it. And the sugar, without the fat, it doesn't satisfy. Like, fat is what actually makes you crave less food. And so you want to have fat in your milk if you're going to drink milk. Now, I don't necessarily recommend cow's milk because there's all sorts of other issues, and a lot of people get bloated when they drink it, and it's probably better to drink almond milk or other types of nut milk. So anyways, those are the 3 drinks to avoid. The best thing that we teach in here is to live a fasted lifestyle. That means type 2 diabetes is really a disease of too much. Not the number 2, but TOO, too much. And we eat too much sugar, we drink too much sugar, we eat too much fat. We don't eat enough of the nutrient-rich foods that our body is craving. It's too much insulin in our bodies that causes us to store fat. And then the fat causes us to build up toxins, which is why you feel horrible and your energy levels suffer. So when you follow this program, you will quickly see how your body can drop all of these things, get into a healthy stage of itself to repair itself over time. You will feel great. We have thousands of testimonials We have some amazing testimonials. I'd show you some now, but hey, people like you have been complaining about these long videos, so we're not going to show you that. You just got to trust that what is in here that we've been publishing for 11 years, this works. And it's $19.97. That is not that much money. Seriously. And I offer a 365-day money-back guarantee. So you can buy it, read it, put it to practice, and if you don't love the results, then just email us or call us and say, hey, I want my money back. And we'll be like, okay, fine. And you'll get it, okay? That's it. Okay, inside you're going to learn about the double C remedy. The double C remedy is cinnamon and chromium, okay? Add these things to your life. They help with blood sugar. They're two of the things that your body is missing, and especially chromium. Chromium is something that most people don't get in their diets. So it's important to supplement that, okay? All of that is found in the Diabetes Solution Kit. I've already gone over 6 minutes. This is too long. Just hit that orange Add to Cart button and you will be downloading your copy of the Diabetes Solution Kit for $19.97. It's not rocket science, or it's not rocket surgery, as Mike Huckabee might say. Okay, thanks. Take care. God bless. Oh, yeah. I wanted to tell you about a free bonus that you're going to get. So every week, me and Dr. Scott Saunders, we hop on a Zoom call that you can join for free. It's called the Fixed Blood Sugar Webinar. And we take questions from our customers. People that have bought this, they hop on and they ask their questions. Anything that they might be experiencing on their journey, we talk about. And we have done over 90 of these webinars every single week. We've recorded these, and when you buy the Diabetes Solution Kit, you'll get access to every single webinar that we've recorded. That means you will have no excuses for not taking care of your type 2 diabetes, okay? I don't mean to sound ornery. I just don't like reading comments of people that complain about these long videos that we used to do. Okay, this is not a long video. It's 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, click that Add to Cart button. I'll see you on the next page. Thanks, and take care, and God bless.